Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start immediately by confirming you have no active Game Pass recurring subscription. Cancel it now if active. Once done, make sure your Microsoft account balance is 0. Spend any leftover funds, because leftover balance blocks region changes. Also prepare the new country's billing address and a local payment method and phone number. This combination is required. You can't change country with an active subscription or remaining store credit, so clear those blockers before proceeding. Now sign in to account. Microsoft. And go to your info, then edit country/region, enter the new address and local phone details you prepared. Once saved, go to Payments and Billing and add the local payment method tied to that country. Make sure billing address matches exactly. Then on your Xbox, go to Settings, System, Language and Location, and change the console location to match. Restart the console so the new country settings take effect and link across services. Finish by buying Game Pass from the new region using the local payment method. Note pricing and catalog differences. If the change fails, make sure you removed all payment methods and had 0 balance, then wait up to 24 hours for account caches to clear and retry the region edit at account. Microsoft. If it still won't switch, contact Microsoft support and provide your account ID, the exact error message, and steps you took. They can clear server-side locks or explain next steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.